pull them before you shovel. We're at 3923 Bates. Right here you're looking at the sewer repair that was made in the basement. We're going to go ahead and pull back, show our repair. This is 4-inch PVC pushed out to the 6-inch clay here. Right here is the Y connection. Right here going to the left, or I'm sorry, to the right would be towards the areaway and the floor drain. That repair was approximately 8 foot. We make our way back here, coming up to the stack. Section here was what was repaired that you're not going to be able to see with the camera from this stack location.